Hello everyone, today is Tuesday, the 24th of June 2025. Welcome to a new episode of Markets in Minutes brought to you by PU Prime. Markets are feeling some relief today after news of a ceasefire between Israel and Iran. While the situation is still developing, the agreement has helped calm some fears of a bigger conflict in the region. And of course, as a result, the European and Asian stock markets are trading higher this morning, and the overall market sentiment is a bit or a lot more stable. When it comes to the oil prices, of course, we have seen the dramatic moves higher by the beginning of this week, of course, after, threats from Iran to block the Strait of Hormuz. However, right now we are seeing a little bit or a huge downward move to retrace the previous upward move, and we're currently trading around $67 per barrel. That's for the WTI or the US crude oil. However, traders are still reassessing the risks, and the situation is still being watched closely as of now. When it comes to the US dollar, it's slightly weaker today as investors wait for more data. Yesterday, when it comes to the economic agenda, we saw better than expected numbers from the US manufacturing PMI specifically, which came in at 52 points. The services PMI as well came at 53.1 points, and the existing home sales, we have seen a record 4.03 million in May. All of those numbers are pretty much higher than expectations and forecasts. Moving on to today, the focus shifts to the consumer confidence report, which is expected again to improve a little bit. And of course, we highly anticipate the Federal Chairman Jerome Powell's testimony in front of the Congress. Traders and investors will be listening for any hints on interest rates, inflation, and the possible next steps for the Federal Reserve or the FOMC. That's all for today's update. Thanks for tuning in to Markets in Minutes with PU Prime. Have a great trading day.